Welcome to Davis Auto. This is a pre-owned 2018 Chevrolet Traverse 8-passenger in the color white. Some features include power adjustable mirrors, power windows, automatic lighting, cruise control, voice command, Bluetooth, rear view camera, OnStar, Sirius XM radio, rear climate control, dual climate control, USB and aux ports, and cloth seating for 8. If you're looking for your next family vehicle, this pre-owned Chevy Traverse is perfect for you. Book your test drive today at Davis Chevrolet in Airdrie.